Fine weld is predestined for manual and automated welding of thin plates. The process is used in all branches of industrial production. Fine weld is an energy-reduced, current-controlled MIG/MAG short arc process for mixed gas and CO2 welding. Due to the minimized spatter formation, fine weld is suitable particularly for thin, coated plates and fine visible weld seams. The stable arc is characterized by an optimum gap bridging ability and can be mastered excellently in all welding positions. Especially when used in the CO2 range, you benefit from a particularly significant spatter reduction compared to a standard short arc process. With fine weld, the lowest possible current flows in an arc phase before a drop short circuit occurs. When the liquid wire end comes into contact with the molten pool, a molten bridge should form as free as possible. For this purpose, the current is reduced even further for a short time. The short circuit current, which is then significantly increased to generate the pinch effect, is very quickly reduced to low values again, shortly before the short circuit is resolved, that is, before the molten bridge is separated. As a result, the power in the newly ignited arc is kept low and the molten pool remains quieter due to the lower arc pressure. A short, uncritical current pulse afterwards ensures optimum drop formation at the end of the wire. With fine weld, you reduce the workpiece distortion through the controllable heat input. You avoid extensive reworks due to the minimized spatter formation. You compensate material tolerances due to the good gap bridging ability. Do you also want an extremely low splatter welding process for excellent welding results with fine welds? Then rely on Fine Weld by CLOOS.